Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more episodes where we help you leverage AI to, well, you guessed it, make money. Today we're diving deep into some AI business ideas for 2025, ideas that you might not even have on your radar yet. And these aren't just like theoretical concepts either. I've actually used a few of these methods myself to build some pretty profitable ventures, and I'm really excited to share all those insights with you.
That's what's so awesome about this deep dive. We're not just talking about what could be, but what is and what is working. Real world applications of AI that can actually bring in real income. And I'm here to help you understand not only what these businesses are, but why they work, so you can find the right opportunity for you.
Awesome. Let's jump right in with an idea that seriously changed my financial game. AI-powered affiliate marketing on TikTok. You might be thinking, wait a minute, affiliate marketing, is that kind of old news?
Yeah.
But trust me, when you mix the crazy growth of TikTok with the power of AI, it becomes something totally different.
Right. What's wild is just how massive TikTok's user base is. Millions of people are just scrolling, engaging with content, and discovering new products every day. And AI lets you tap into that huge audience in a way that's super targeted and effective.
Yeah. And here's the really interesting part. I've been making over $50,000 a month with this method. The trick is using AI to analyze what's already working on TikTok. Like you find a viral video about a product that you want to promote and use a tool to get the transcript. Then you just plug that transcript into an AI writing tool and boom, it generates a bunch of different versions of that script,
No,
all perfectly tailored for affiliate marketing.
I love that because you're basically using strategies that are already proven to work and you're letting AI do all the hard work of writing those catchy sales messages. It really makes it easy for anyone to get started with affiliate marketing. You don't even need any experience writing scripts or anything like that.
Okay, so let's switch gears for a second, talk about another AI business idea, one that might surprise you. AI-powered interior design for real estate. Think about it. Staging properties is super important for getting buyers, but it can be really expensive. Empty rooms just don't have that same appeal, right? And that's where AI comes in.
It's a perfect example of how AI is shaking up traditional industries and creating awesome new opportunities. AI-powered interior design tools can virtually stage rooms in minutes. You go from an empty space to a beautiful furnished showcase just like that. It's such a cost-effective solution, and it can give real estate agents a huge advantage.
For sure. I found this tool recently that does exactly that. You upload a photo of an empty room and AI does its magic. It adds furniture decor, even lighting, to create this really realistic and stylish virtual staging. I was so impressed with how quickly and easily it transformed a simple photo into a room that people would actually want to live in.
What I find really cool is how these tools understand spatial relationships and interior design principles. They don't just throw furniture in randomly. They consider things like scale and balance and color to make these awesome designs. It's like having a professional interior designer on call 24/7, but without the crazy fees.
And the best part, you can turn this into a legit business. Imagine finding properties online with like bad photos or empty rooms. You can use these AI tools to make them look amazing and then reach out to the agents with your improved pictures. Offer them a couple free samples to show them what you can do, and you've got a winning pitch that can land you clients and start making you money.
That's such a smart strategy. You're using AI to solve a real problem that so many real estate agents have. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and letting technology do the heavy lifting.
All right, let's dive into another AI business idea that has a ton of potential. AI-driven dropshipping. I know dropshipping has been around for a while, but there's always been a huge learning curve and a lot of manual work involved.
Right. But now AI is changing the game. It's making drop shipping way more accessible and efficient than ever before. What's really exciting is how AI can streamline that whole process. Like you can have these AI tools that are basically your virtual assistants. They can handle pretty much everything from finding products and managing suppliers to actually fulfilling orders and even marketing. And that gives you more time to focus on actually growing your business.
Yes.
I got to try out this dropshipping platform a while back that uses AI, and it totally blew me away. It makes everything so simple. You can have an online store set up and running in like minutes, and the AI helps you figure out a good niche based on what's trending. It even suggests products that are already selling like crazy. It's insane how much time and guesswork it saves you.
Sounds like it takes all the stress out of dropshipping.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people who love the idea of dropshipping, but they get so overwhelmed with all the details, like finding good suppliers, managing inventory, dealing with shipping.
Exactly. And that's where these AI platforms really shine. They're like your central hub connecting you with trustworthy suppliers, automating all the orders, and even handling customer service stuff. It's basically like having a whole team of virtual assistants working behind the scenes, making sure your business runs smoothly.
And how about choosing the right products? That's going to be a big part of dropshipping success.
Yeah.
How does AI help with that?
Well, the AI looks at mountains of data to find products that people are really wanting. Products that don't have a ton of competition and have good profit margins. It considers all sorts of things like sales trends, customer reviews, even shipping times to recommend products that are most likely to be winners. It's like having a crystal ball that tells you what's going to sell.
That's super helpful for anyone who's new to dropshipping or just wants to try out some new products. It takes the guesswork out of it and helps you focus on stuff that's actually going to make you money.
Oh, and there's another cool thing I found. A lot of these AI dropshipping platforms let you customize products too. So you can create your own private label stuff, add your own branding and designs to make your products stand out.
That's huge for building your own brand and getting loyal customers. You're not just reselling the same stuff as everyone else. You're creating something unique that people will love. Speaking of sharing knowledge and building a brand, let's talk about becoming an AI creator. Everyone wants to learn about AI these days, so there's a huge opportunity for anyone who's passionate about AI to help others navigate this crazy new world.
What's so cool about this is you don't need to be a coding genius or a tech expert to be a successful AI creator. All you really need is a genuine interest in AI. You got to be willing to learn, try new things, and be able to explain complicated stuff in a way that people can understand and get excited about.
I've seen so many people building amazing businesses just by teaching others about AI. They're making online courses, hosting workshops, sharing their insights on blogs, videos, even podcasts. There's no limit to what you can do.
Yeah, the trick is to find a niche that you're interested in and know something about. You could focus on AI for a specific industry, like marketing or healthcare, or you could become an expert in a specific type of AI tech, like machine learning. The important thing is to share your knowledge in a way that's valuable and easy for people to grasp.
TikTok is a great place to start if you want to test the waters and build a following as an AI creator. You can make short, fun videos that explain AI concepts, show off cool AI tools, and even share your own AI projects.
TikTok is all about those short and sweet videos that teach you something new and keep you entertained. It's the perfect way to connect with a younger audience that's super curious about AI and all the things it can do.
And once you've got a good following, you can start making money from your content. You
Yeah.
can do affiliate marketing, get sponsors, or even sell your own digital products like online courses or ebooks. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion for AI into a real business.
All right, get ready to have your mind blown because this next AI business idea is seriously wild AI sales agent clones. Just imagine having an AI version of yourself, making sales calls, answering customer questions, and even acting as your virtual receptionist. It sounds like science fiction, but this technology is real and it's changing the way businesses work.
I know, right? I was a little skeptical at first, but then I thought, why not give it a shot? I found this platform that lets you create AI clones using your own voice and personality. You just give some samples of your voice and it learns how to sound just like you. It's kind of creepy, but also super cool.
It's amazing how these AI clones can have natural sounding conversations. They can answer questions, give information, and even handle those tricky objections from potential customers, all in a way that's professional and convincing.
And think about all the businesses that can use this, like small businesses that don't have the budget for a full sales team or a receptionist. With an AI sales agent clone, they can have a 247 virtual rep handling calls, qualifying leads, and even scheduling appointments.
It's a game changer for anyone who wants to simplify their business, save money, and have more time to focus on the things they're good at. Plus, it opens up a whole new opportunity for people who want to learn how to create these AI clones and offer that service to businesses.
It really is like having someone working for you around the clock, bringing in those leads and keeping customers happy while you take care of the rest.
The potential is just incredible. And think about industries like healthcare. You could have an AI assistant that sends out appointment reminders, answers FAQs, even walks patients through pre-appointment stuff. It would be a game changer for healthcare professionals and patients.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It's amazing how AI is changing how we work and interact with businesses. We've covered a lot today, but I want to go back to that first idea we talked about, AI-powered affiliate marketing on TikTok.
Oh, right.
Out of all the AI business ideas we've talked about, this one is a great place to start if you're new to this whole thing.
Definitely. It's a pretty low cost, low risk way to test the waters of AI entrepreneurship. You don't have to create products, manage stock, or deal with shipping. You're just using platforms and products that are already out there to make money.
Plus, the earning potential is huge. I mean, I've seen it firsthand. With the right approach and some help from those AI tools, you can tap into TikTok's massive audience and turn your content into a moneymaker.
Absolutely. The key is to think of it like a business, not just a fun side project. You got to put in the time to learn about TikTok marketing, try out different AI tools, and really look at your results to keep getting better.
Yep. It's all about consistency and always being ready to adapt because social media is always changing. And that's the beauty of AI. It's always evolving. So there are endless opportunities to be creative and grow your business.
Before we wrap up this deep dive into these 5 AI business ideas, there's one super important thing I want to say. Take action. It's easy to get caught up in all these new ideas and possibilities, but if you don't do anything about them, they'll just stay ideas. It's so true. Pick one idea that you really like and take a small step towards making it happen today. That could mean doing a little more research, signing up for a free trial of an AI tool, or even just brainstorming some ideas. Just start moving and make those ideas a reality. And remember, we're here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Moneymakers for more insights and strategies and to hear from AI experts who are leading the way in this exciting new world.
We're always checking out the latest AI trends, and we're super passionate about sharing that knowledge with you and helping you reach your full potential. So until next time, keep those AI ideas flowing. And remember, the future belongs to those who embrace the power of AI and turn those innovative ideas into profitable realities.